I would now like to turn to liquidity and financial market conditions. Surplus liquidity has, as reflected in average daily absorptions under the LAF at rupees 1.7 lakh crore during April-May, was lower than 2.9 lakh crore rupees during the full year 22-23. The shrinkage in surplus liquidity during April-May was, among other things, due to maturing of the TLTROs which we had extended, which we had given during COVID times. The seasonal expansion in currency in circulation and build-up of government cash balances during this period also moderated surplus liquidity. Since the third week of May, however, the decline in currency in circulation and pickup in government spending have expanded system liquidity. This has got further augmented due to the Reserve Bank's market operations and the deposit of rupees 2,000 bank notes in the banks. The prevalence of surplus liquidity amidst higher recourse to marginal standing facility MSF by some banks suggest skewed liquidity distribution within the banking system. To address this situation, the Reserve Bank conducted a 14-day variable rate auction, that is a VRR auction, amounting to rupees 50,000 crore as part of its main operation on May 19, 2023. Similar to two such auctions conducted earlier in February and March this year. Reflecting swiftness in its liquidity action, the Reserve Bank conducted a 14-day variable rate reverse repo auction. The earlier one I referred to was variable rate repo auction. Now I am referring to variable rate reverse repo auction, which is VRRR. So, reflecting the swiftness in its liquidity action, the Reserve Bank conducted a 14-day variable rate reverse repo auction, that is a VRRR auction, of 2 lakh crore on June 2nd. And thereafter, we have gone on to conduct a 4-day VRRR auction of 1 lakh crore on June 5th, a 3-day VRRR auction of 75,000 crore yesterday, day before, that is on June 6th, and a 2-day VRRR operation auction, let me say, a VRRR auction of 75,000 crore on June 7th. Now, this was done considering the overall build-up of surplus liquidity. The response to these auctions, these VRRR auctions, has been cautious in, as per our experience, that is these VRRR auctions which we conducted over a period of last 4 or 5 days. The response from the banks has been fairly cautious. Going forward, the Reserve Bank will remain nimble in its liquidity management while ensuring that adequate resources are available for the productive requirements of the economy. The Reserve Bank will also ensure the orderly completion of the government market borrowing program in the current year. The moderation in system liquidity, along with its skewed distribution, was reflected in firming up of money market rates even beyond the repo rate on a few occasions before they came down from May 18 to sub-repo rate levels. Long-term rates have, however, remained broadly stable. This has led to sharp compression of term spreads in the recent period. The relative stability of long-term yields augurs well for the economy and suggests effective anchoring of market-based long-term inflation expectations.